My name is Thierry Pellegrino. I'm in charge of Penguin Solutions, which is one of the 3 divisions under Smart Global Holdings. We launched this Penguin Solutions brand a couple of months ago, and it's really more than just a name change. It's also a different approach. We're going to bring our knowledge from Edge, Core, and Cloud together. And because Penguin Computing, which is the biggest part of this new Penguin Solutions brand, is very focused on HPC and AI, we see a lot of value in bringing HPC and AI to the edge. And as we see it even here at ISC 2022, leverage the cloud experience that we have with Penguin On Demand and bring that across that whole edge core cloud continuum. Some of the trends that we all see in the industry is that there's an acceleration of performance. We just talked about Frontier being the first official exascale system, but bringing more of compute acceleration together to build better performing systems to solve problems or drive business value. That's one of the trends. The second trend that I see is the acceleration of power consumption in order to put all those systems to work. That's just a lot of electrical power being brought in, but once you start running the systems, you need to be able to cool them. The last trend that I'll talk about is, as much as we see a lot of hardware being discussed, the story about HPC and AI and the continued progression into commercial environments is going to be about software, application, and a lot of times about getting help deploying all this and having that knowledge applied to a certain business model. So that's another trend that I think if we all invest in meeting the needs of that trend, will not be in the way of our continued growth for HPC and AI. At Penguin Solutions, we have some unique traits that I think are differentiating compared to the competition. The first thing is that we've been focusing on HPC and AI for over 20 years. A lot of other companies have a lot of different workloads to worry about, and at times make compromises in the products that they launch or even the specifications that they train their teams on. At Penguin Solutions, that's our passion. That's what we do day in, day out. And being able to provide that value to our customers is core to a differentiator that we feel we have. The second thing that's unique about Penguin Computing is that we can commit to this trusted advisor status that all customers are looking for. We integrate components that are either Penguin components or could also be from other partners in the industry. I think it's not necessarily obvious when you think Penguin Solutions is that we're very focused on software and services for our customers. So we will design the right solution for them. We will ensure that the stack that they want to deploy is going to be optimized for the solution that we've designed with them. But then we can also be there in order to alleviate the need for technology knowledge in HPC and AI, leveraging Penguin Solutions engineers and staff members to be on site with the customer and operate the infrastructure. And at times it even gets to the next level, which is leveraging our Penguin On Demand capability and providing a cloud solution for our customers directly.
Hello, my name is Philip Picorni. I'm the Chief Technical Officer for Penguin Solutions. It was great to see that the top 500 list has now exceeded 1 exaflop, and it was also exciting to see in some of the analysis of the top 500 list that Penguin Computing still represents a noticeable fraction of the 500 list with 7 systems in the top 500. Penguin got its start in 1998, and around 2001 when I joined 21 years ago, we really started to recognize that standard Linux servers, rack mount servers, could be used as the building blocks of HPC systems. And in fact, that was a very compatible vision with a man named Don Becker and Tom Sterling, who is giving a keynote here, who had used that as the paradigm for creating Beowulf clustering. And recently, Tom Sterling was recognized by the Space Technology Hall of Fame for their contributions of Beowulf clustering, which is now basically the dominant form of cluster in the top 500. Almost every system is a collection of machines, individual machines running Beowulf style clustering. And that's continued in, that lineage continues at Penguin Computing, where we merged Don Becker's company with Penguin to create skilled clusterware, which we continue to enhance and sell today. What sets Penguin apart is our ability to build sort of those mid-range kind of systems. We don't really tend to build those 1 exaflop machines, but most customers need between 50 and 100 kind of machines, and we really excel at that scale, and we can also do bigger.